In a hypothetical scenario, you must choose between two candidates for a coding position, Mr. Natharam, a coding genius with poor communication skills, and Mr. Vikas, who has good coding abilities and excellent communication skills. The importance of communication skills in hiring decisions is emphasized by a report stating that 92% of hiring managers prefer candidates with superior communication skills over technical expertise. Strong communicators tend to manage teams more effectively, handle client interactions better, and excel in interviews, which often leads to their advancement. Further, a Harvard Business Review report indicates that individuals with top-notch communication skills earn 15 to 20% more on average, often moving into leadership roles. The video offers insights into enhancing communication abilities, promising to make viewers communication experts by sharing 7 impactful lessons drawn from personal experiences and the classic book. How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. The lessons provided are based on deep psychological principles relevant to effective communication. The emphasis is placed on recognizing a common theme across the stories shared in the video, with a reward offered for identifying this theme. The first illustrative story describes Charles Schaub, a mill boss who boosts employee morale and production simply by recognizing and appreciating a worker named James for his contributions. Schaub's heartfelt compliment and acknowledgement of James's role in improving production changed the factory's atmosphere, demonstrating that sincere appreciation can be more motivating than monetary rewards. This sets the stage for the first lesson. Authentic appreciation elevates people's spirits and energy, highlighting the importance of recognizing others' efforts. The subsequent lessons are likely to continue this theme, delving into the dynamics of effective communication in various contexts, and emphasizing practices that foster better relationships and communication skills in both personal and professional life. Each anecdote is crafted to illustrate pivotal communication strategies that can be applied to experience personal growth and development. To recap, the decision between candidates hinges on understanding the significance of communication in the workplace. It underscores the idea that technical prowess is one aspect of a candidate's profile, but strong communication holds greater weight in career progression and earning potential. By embracing the lessons provided in the video, viewers can enhance their communication skills, leading to improved professional relationships and life outcomes. In 1920, a small bank faced a critical issue when it accidentally overcharged one of its clients by $2,000, a significant mistake during a time when public trust in banks was dwindling post-war. If mishandled, this blunder could severely damage the bank's reputation. Instead of concealing the error, the bank's president made an unprecedented decision. He published a full-page ad in the local newspaper admitting the mistake. The ad declared the error, outlined the corrective actions including the return of $20,000 plus interest, and apologized to the community. This bold move surprised the public and elicited a strong reaction. Many people expressed their support, recognizing that a bank admitting its mistakes was worthy of trust. As a result, rather than withdrawing funds, customers began depositing more money, with double and triple the withdrawals turning into new deposits and account openings. This transformation elevated the bank's status from struggling to a highly esteemed institution in the region, leading to significant profit increases and customer satisfaction. The key takeaway from this situation is that openly admitting mistakes can earn greater trust, rather than attempting to justify or hide them. The author shares a personal anecdote illustrating this lesson. While driving, the author broke a traffic signal intentionally and was stopped by the police. Instead of offering excuses, the author straightforwardly admitted the mistake and apologized. The policeman, taken aback by the honesty, chose to issue only a warning. This experience emphasizes that acknowledging faults resonates positively with others, as most individuals tend to hide their mistakes, and owning up can create influence and build connections. In a shoe shop, salesman Parrot memorized lines, primarily about the leather shoes and the best-selling designs, leading to customers merely nodding and leaving after learning the prices. However, one salesman named Rohit takes a different approach. When a customer approaches him, he asks, "What kind of shoes do you want to see? Comfortable or stylish?" This question intrigues customers, prompting them to consider their actual needs. Rohit listens to their responses. often guiding them towards comfort since many office-goers prefer functionality over style. Rohit then brings out shoes with special cushioning, highlighting their comfort. He allows customers to try on these shoes, emphasizing their quality even for long durations of wear. He proceeds to offer stylish versions of these comfortable shoes in varying colors, ensuring the customers feel at ease and pleased with their choices. This approach results in Rohit earning significantly more than his colleagues, illustrating effective sales strategies. Several lessons can be drawn from Rohit's story. Firstly, engaging customers with questions rather than just showcasing products creates a dialogue that can lead to better outcomes. By understanding what customers need, salesmen can tailor their offerings accordingly. Secondly, focusing on the customer's interests rather than pushing one's own agenda can lead to more meaningful conversations. Rohit, by prioritizing comfort when customers express their needs, showcases the importance of addressing the other party's interests. Lastly, achieving results is crucial. Rohit doesn't just talk about shoes but actively brings forth all that supports comfort, enhancing the customer experience. The principle of a customer-first approach, emphasized in various successful sales philosophies, suggests that understanding customer needs can pave the way to greater financial success. Many salespeople fail to do this, missing opportunities to build meaningful connections. An analogous scenario involves a Ford salesman encountering a customer who favored Chevrolet cars. Most salespeople would argue their case to defend their brand, but this particular salesman agreed with the customer about the merits of Chevrolet. Acknowledging the customer's perspective created a rapport, allowing space for the salesman to later present Ford's advantages. Ultimately, this approach led to the customer purchasing a Ford car, demonstrating how agreeing first can pave the way for effective persuasion. Another poignant example includes Ralph Waldo Emerson and his son attempting to move a calf into a pen through forceful methods. When they struggled without success, a housemate intervened by enticing the calf with a finger to suck on. This gentle approach resulted in the calf willingly moving into the pen, illustrating that giving what someone wants can facilitate the desired outcome. These stories collectively convey insightful lessons on persuasion and salesmanship. Listening, understanding, and prioritizing others' needs are fundamental to influence effectively, whether in sales, leadership, or everyday interactions. Building connections through empathy over strong-arming one's agenda yields more successful outcomes.